Hi everybody, today I will show you how to copy formulas in Google Sheets. So let's begin. So I've got this spreadsheet here with a sum formula already set up in this cell. Now, if I would want to copy the formula across other cells without retyping it every time, I will simply make sure that the formula is set up and I will hit enter. Now, as you can see, this is the sum of all these three cells because I'm adding these 3 weeks earning and this is the total earned. So I written a formula that is equal to sum selecting all these three cells in this formula. Now, if I would want to copy that formula across the other cells without retyping it every time, I will simply click on this result generated by the formula and I will see this small blue dot at the bottom right. Now, if I take my mouse cursor here, it turns to a plus sign. I will simply left click and drag it down and Google Sheets copies the formula into each one and automatically adjusts it for each row or column. Now, the second way is just using Ctrl plus C. You can simply type in the formula, then click on the cell with your formula, select it, and then press Ctrl plus C on your keyboard to copy it. Then select the cell or range of cells where you want to paste it into and press Ctrl plus V. The same result and the formula gets copied and adjusted for each cell automatically. Now, one thing to keep in mind, when you copy a formula, Google Sheets adjusts the cell references automatically. Now, if you want to copy a formula from an already generated result, what you can simply do is click on the result that has the formula and you can see the formula will appear at the top. You can select it, right click and click copy and paste it anywhere else. Or what you can also do is you can select the formula from the top, right click, click copy and paste it anywhere else by pressing Ctrl plus V. So that's how you copy formulas in Google Sheets. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.